Bam! What's up guys? Today I'm showing some toy guns and equipment. So let's begin the show. First of all guys, I can show you this toy monster shotgun. Okay guys, see this? This is wow, amazing, scene, nice, wow, wow, checking, picking, packing, wow, wow. What a nice shotgun it is. This is the black color, orange, yellow and deep orange color combination toy shotgun. OMG. And this is what? This is a razor. Okay? See? Red dots and razor. Same to same. Cutting. I assemble it by this shotgun. See this guys? This is the original. Look like original toy shotgun. Okay? And how it's works? Turn and shoot. Wow. Turn and shoot. Turn and shoot. Okay guys? Then guys, I can show you the toy pistol. This pistol have a magazine. This is a black color magazine. Wow, glossy finish. Okay. This is black color, red color and yellow color combination toy pistol. See guys? Huh? And how it's work? Turn and shoot. Wow. Another time. Turn and shoot. Wow. Then guys, I can show you this pistol, this big monster type pistol. Wow, what it have look. See guys, just see. OMG. Like seriously, this is dangerous. This is black and red color, black and only red color combination toy pistol. Wow, wow, just wow guys, amazing. How it's work? Turn and wow, what a sound quality it have. Another time. Turn and then guys, I show you this is what is this? Ready, 1 2 3. Ten a calculator. This is a calculator. See guys, this is a real calculator. This is not a toy calculator. Okay guys, see? Wow. Wow, another toy shotgun. Turn. Wow. This 2 is like a real toy, real gun, but this 2 is toy shotgun. And how it's work? Wow, what a sound. So guys, thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.